Hello, I'm Frank Rosner. I'm a breathwork coach and American football coach from Germany. And I had my first breathwork session with Devin yesterday. And I just can't say it was really amazing. He showed me a new breathing technique and explained me a lot of very powerful things that gave me a very good insight. And during the breathwork, I went to some places. I was really able to go within and to relax. And the first couple of rounds were a bit difficult for me because there were some things that I never did before. But in the last two rounds, I just felt amazing. So I really could focus on within, what's going on within, and just relax. So Devin, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I just can recommend everybody to, do some breathwork with the breathwork guru, Devin. Thanks and all the best.